वेलकम टू एजीएन स्टेनो क्लासेज और मैं रमेश चौहान। डिक्टेशन स्टार्ट 11 फ्रॉम द लाइव्स ऑफ ग्रेट मैन वी लर्न मैनी थिंग्स मच दैट इज ऑफ वैल्यू टू अस in our own lives. Full stop. Note the least important thing, perhaps, which the life of almost any great man teaches us is that we have time to do those things which we most want to do. Full stop. As young people, we talk lightly of what we would do if only we had the time. As old people, we look back upon lost opportunities and wish that we had the time to follow this course of action, that line of training. Full stop. But again and again, as we read the stories of the lives of those who have done great things, of those whose names will be forever remembered. The knowledge is force upon us that our trouble is not that we have too little time, but that we have too little desire. Full stop. Our desire to move in a certain direction is not strong enough to influence us to take the necessary steps to use for that purpose the hours which are being spent in other and possibly less profitable ways. Full stop. If the desire to act and the will to work are there, then we shall find both the time and the opportunity. Para. These thoughts come to the mind upon reading a recently published book in which the writer tells in outline the story of lives of 15 great men. Full stop. From the many remarkable men who have lived during the past 500 years, the writer has taken those men who, by their thought and by their labor, were able to discover a great principle, some deep truth about the law of nature which had not before been known. Man who in this way added greatly to the knowledge and learning of the world, and so took all man one big step forward in the long march towards a better understanding of the forces which govern our world. It is not possible to read this book, or indeed any book of this nature, without feeling an increased respect for the power of man's mind, and increased respect for his learning, for his continued attempts to find the truth even when faced with great difficulties. Para. The life of each of these men, it need hardly We said differs in details, full stop, para.